The great thing about the Ozonics DriWash Bag is it can not only be used on your hunting gear, but it can be used day to day around your house for clothes, towels, and even those stinky gym shoes. It's an easy process to use the DriWash Bag with your Ozonics. Simply unzip the DriWash Bag and you're going to loosely hang your clothing on the inside on the hooks. Once you've got all your clothing hung up inside the bag, you're going to zip the bag back up. You're going to run your Ozonics on dry wash mode. The dry wash mode is a 10-minute time cycle. You're going to fit your Ozonics in the top slot of the dry wash bag, making sure that the fan is facing up. What we're trying to do is we're creating a controlled environment within that dry wash bag, where we control where the air comes in through the Ozonics and where the air goes out on the small vent on the front. Inside the dry wash bag is a baffle that separates the front half and the back half of the bag. That baffle forces the ozone down the back half of the bag, and when it gets to the bottom, because we control the airflow, it forces that ozone to go back up through the bag. By creating this circulation, we create surface area exposure on your clothing. We know that ozone is only going to oxidize on whatever it comes in contact with. We're trying to create a situation where that ozone comes in contact with your clothing the best we can. During that 10-minute dry wash cycle, we use a pulse technology that actually turns the coil on and off. It's all about the right amount of ozone for the right amount of time. After that 10-minute cycle is completed, the Ozonics will automatically shut off. You can go back, unzip the bag, pull your clothing out, turn it inside out, and hang it back on the hooks on the inside. Again, if we only treat one side, we're only doing half the job. Once you've rehung your clothing on the inside of the bag, you can zip it back up. You can turn your Ozonics back on dry wash mode for a second time, and after that second 10-minute cycle, you're good to go. Yours today.